concept. In the time and work part 3, the first sum, that is A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days and B can do the same job in 12 days with the help of C. They did the job in 4 days only. Then C alone can do the job. So he has given A can lay a railway track in 16 days. Similarly, B can lay the same work in 12 days. With the help of C, A plus B plus C, they lay railway track in 4 days. Taking the LCM of 16, 12 and 4, we will get 48 as an LCM. This 48 represents the work units. It is means railway track length, that is in meters. Okay. So when A is doing 48 meters of the work in 16 days, means every day he will do 3 meters. Similarly, B is doing 48 meters of the work in 12 days, means every day he will do 4 meters. A plus B plus C, this 48 meters of work is doing in 4 days, means every day they are doing 12 meters. So now he is asking the question, in how many days C alone can do the work? See, when A plus B plus C are laying the railway track in 12 meters per day, whereas A and B togetherly they are laying only 7 meters. So by using this 2, we can get C can do 1 day's work will be 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 meters per day. 5 meters per day. When C is doing 5 meters work in 1 day, he want to do 48 meters of the work, so he will take 48 by 5, that is equal to 3 by 5 days. This is the answer. Okay, now we see the second sum. A can complete 1/3 of a work in 5 days and B 2/5 of the work in 10 days. In how many days both A and B can complete the work? So here A is completing 1/3 of a work in 5 days. So full work will be this will be multiplied 15 days. Full work will be in 15 days. Similarly, B is completing 2/5 of the work in 10 days. Then full work will be 10 into 5 by 2. So in 25 days. So B will complete a full work in 25 days. A will complete full work in 15 days. Now when they are working together, so A is taking 15 days, B is taking 25 days. So taking a LCM of 15 and 25, we will get 75 as the LCM. So here then A is finishing 75 work units in 15 days, means per day he will produce 5 pieces. Similarly, B is producing 75 pieces in 25 days, means every day he will produce 3 pieces. A and B togetherly working, they will produce 8 pieces. So they want to finish 75 pieces, means 75 by 8, you will get 3 by 8 days. Okay, now we will see the third question. Third question is, a man and a boy together can do a certain amount of digging in 40 days. Their speeds in digging are in the ratio of 8:5. How many days will the boy take to complete the work alone? So here there is one man is there, another boy is also there. Their working speed ratio has given. The meaning is, when man is doing 8 meters of work, means boy will dig 5 meters of the work. Okay, but togetherly they will produce 13 meters of work in a day. So when they are working for 40 days, so they will do the 13 into 40, we will get 520 meters. This is the work units. 520 is the work units. So when this 520 units of work will be done by only B, that is boy, means then he will take how many days, means 520 by 5. So we will get 104. 5 ones are 1, 5 4 0, 500. So boy alone will take 104 days. If suppose he may ask, man can alone can do, means then 520 by 8, then we will go 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48, 4 will be left over, then 8 5s are 40. Man will take 65 days. We'll see the next sum. Next sum is, work done by A in 1 day is half of the work done by B in 1 day. Work done by B is half of the work done by C in 1 day. If C alone can complete the work in 7 days, in how many days can A, B and C together complete the work? So here A 1 day's work will be equal to half day work of B. So we can say that 2 days A's work will be equal to 1 day's B's work. This is the first statement. Similarly, B's full day work is equal to half day work of C. So we can say that 2 days B's work is equal to 1 day C's work. So by statement 1 and 2, for statement 1, if you multiply with 2, we will get 4 days A's work is equal to 2 days B's work. 4 days A's work is equal to 2 days B's work. By taking the second statement, 2 days B's work is equal to 1 day C's work. By clubbing these two statements, because 2B is common, so we will get 4A is equal to 2B is equal to 1C. So it gives that A will take 4 days, whereas B will take 2 days, C will take 1 day. This is to complete a work. But in our question, C is taking 7 days. So when C is taking 7 days means B will take 14 days, A will take 28 days. So by that we will get that A will complete a work in 28 days, B will complete a work in 14 days, C will complete a work in 7 days. By taking the LCM of 28, 14 and 7, we will get 28. 28 represent the work units. So when 28 work units will be finished by A in 28 days, means A will finish daily 1 piece. Similarly, B is producing 28 pieces in 14 days, every day he will produce 2 pieces. Similarly, C will produce 28 units in 7 days, every day he will produce 4 units. Every day he will produce 4 units. By togetherly they are working, every day they will produce 7 units. So they want to produce 28 units, means they will take 28 by 7, we will get 4 days. 4 days. Okay, we'll see the next sum. Next sum is Kutti can eat 32 biscuits in 1 hour. Harsha needs 3 hours to eat the same number. How much time will they take to eat 32 biscuits together? So here Kutti is there, Harsha is there. Kutti will take 1 hour, Harsha will take 3 hours to eat 32 biscuits. When Kutti is eating 32 biscuits in 1 hour, every hour she will eat 32 biscuits. Similarly, Harsha is eating 32 biscuits in 3 hours. Per hour he will eat 32 by 3 biscuits. By togetherly in 1 hour they will eat 32 plus 32 by 3 biscuits in 1 hour. So taking the LCM 3 will be, this will be 96 plus 32 is equal to 120 by 8 by 3 biscuits in 1 hour. So they want to eat 32 biscuits, means they will take how much time? 32 by 128 by 3. So that is equal to 32 into 3 by 128. 32 ones are 32 fours are. So they will take 3 by 4 hours. That is nothing but 45 minutes. How? 1 hour is equal to 60 seconds, 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 3 by 4 hours is equal to 60 into 3 by 4. So 15 3 is 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, share and like it. You have any doubts, post under the description box. Thank you.